Do you have a LENOVO N586 or similar Lenovo laptop that keeps shutting off and booting by itself? Usually at the worst possible time because you're watching a movie or playing a video game. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So underneath the laptop there is 1, 2, 3 vents. And you see that vent back there? That's the intake vent. And you see all that dust that's on the intake vent? Yeah, I know you see that. Yeah. So I'm going to take my canned air and I'm going to blast that stuff out of there. Just like that. So that vent looks the same as the other two. Well, almost. I see a little bit more dust in there. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. So I had to do that a couple years ago when I first got this laptop because it was shutting off. And it's been fine, and now it started doing it again. So, usually in a hot action scene on a Netflix movie when you least want the computer to boot itself. Anyway, what's going on in there is the processor's working as fast as it can. And Lenovo decided to make the vents this size. And when they get full of dust, it can't pull in enough air to cool the processor down, and it reaches too high a temperature and it shuts down the computer. So there you go, super easy fix.